Hey, what's up everybody? December 6th, 2019, and we got kind of a calm before the storm going right now. It's not going to be much, but it's going to be on and off through Sunday. So it's supposed to be mainly rain, just rain showers, nothing super intense, but unfortunately it's going to be mostly rain. Quite a bummer. He looks thrilled. All right. As you guys can see, there's very little snow remaining. The piles you see are just piles from the snow plows. Kind of a bummer. All this rain, but we need it for the lake, so that's good. So this isn't going to be the longest calm before the storm because there's really nothing special to show you guys except for what town's looking like right now, and I'm expecting less snow now. On the North Shore there's already a ton of dry patches. That's a bummer. On the hills on this side there's no snow left. It's all gone. We got some dry patches over here too already. Unbelievable. From 3 feet of snow, that's crazy. Here's the snow play. I wonder if there's anybody playing over there. Looks like the parking lot's full, but with, oh, that kind of sucked. Yeah, it's just a bunch of workers over there. Anyway. Alright, this is going to be good. We don't have to do much of a longer video. Alright. Peace out, guys. December 6th, 2019.